Welcome to the Lazy Tech Guys. If you like tech-related money-making videos, tutorials, and projects, make sure you go down and hit that subscribe button and that bell to get all notifications when we release a new video. Hey guys, wanted to do a quick update on the phone farm, the apps that are being ran on our phone farm. And we got some information to talk about at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned and watch that. Right now what we've got are these top 5 phones are running perk rewards. It's the only perk apps we got running right now. And then we've got Yo Lotto running these 10 phones, these top 5 and these 5 here. And then Yo Rewards are running these 4 and these 4 here. They'll kind of add an L shape there, or Tetris shaped little there. And then these 2 are running Super Pop Quiz on the main phone farm here. Now over here on the little phone farm that we're having issues with these phones, that one there is running Yo Rewards, and that one is running Super Pop Quiz. So back to here, guys. That's what we got. We don't know what we're making yet, so this is something that we want to get into. So we've got, as you can see here, this kilowatt meter. So what we're going to do is we've got it reset back to 0, and this was done on the 2nd. And so we've got it down to 0. If you don't know, it just shows you the voltage and then the hertz and then how many kilowatts you've used. We've got that at 0 right now, so when we plug back in, we'll get that number. And we know what we pay for electric, so we'll be able to tell what it costs to charge these phones versus what we make, so we can get a good idea what this particular setup is actually making us. Now, it is a pretty, it's a really passive. That's the word I'm looking for, passive. This is pretty passive setup. We don't have to mess with it a couple times a day. We reset the phones and then it runs. Pretty messy. Yeah, messy desk I clean up. But we've been so busy, so everything's really passive. So this will tell us what we got on this and on this setup. We do want to get more perk apps running, but right now most of their apps will not let you have a remote, or what I found is it kicks off for the remote program. So when we buy some more phones, we're going to put some other perk apps on there. That's definitely in the mix. But we wanted to see what this was making compared to the rest. And you can tell here we're getting a lot of these whites here. So I'm wondering about these Yo Rewards and Yo Lotto, how well they're going to do on this. But what we do is we come in the morning, we reset all the phones, and then we start everything. And we do that about noon, and we do that at the end of the day. So get everything running and going through. Now, I do have to mention, for you guys it may be different. For us, it's Monday to Friday. We don't work Saturday and Sunday. I've got a lot of other stuff to do Saturday and Sunday. So I don't always get these reset over the weekend, even though I do come out and try. But I want it to be a real test for us. As we come through, anybody that comes through here will reset them. But if we don't come through, then that's just how it works. We just don't get them all done. So this will be a true test for how we run our phone farm, because it is out in the office area and not inside where I'm at all the time. So if I'm out doing yard work, this is my hideaway where I'll come out and sit in and be cool and whatnot. So we will reset and do stuff. You can tell the power supply is working great. We do have to clean this fan every so often, but that's not a big deal. Many of you know that also that we've been having trouble with these little clips coming off. I don't know if it shows very well on this video here, but you can see they're kind of glossy. Well, what we found is that we can take and put packing tape over the back of it and take this is a label peeler, is what it's meant for. But I use that and jab it underneath the hook. Is what we found. We can jab that underneath the hook, and then they'll hang, and even if that little backing comes off a little bit, the tape holds it up there, and the tape is really super cheap. I mean, you get it, the roll is like $1, and it doesn't take much to hold on there, and that tape holds like 30 some odd pounds. So that really does help. You just got to make sure you get it around the hook real good. So we haven't had any problems since we've done that, so that's just a quick solution. Anyway, guys, that's all we got for now. Hope this helps you. If it does, please like, subscribe, comment, and remember, the day's what you make it. So let's make it a good one.